So how's it going, guys? Today we got one break-even trade and then one TP. So let's get into it. Today, 17 March, we got core retail sales. Two red, one orange folder. So coming into market open. Um, let's go. 9:30. We have this news candle down here. So I marked out this bottom, these equal lows. Sorry. And yeah, and these were news data highs. So market open and we get pushed towards past all this. I believe uh yeah, this one as well. We had an SMD here. As you could tell, market open, we didn't sweep. So with that in mind, my bias was shorts to the data lows, but if we went back to here. We did have this 5 minute SMT. See here. Let me just get rid of these. Had this tiny little 5 minute SMT. Come from this and then this. Like that. So what I wanted to see was a further push up for ES to take out. Let me see. ES to take out these highs here. And then we get a push down to these data lows. But you gotta adapt to get me. So as you can see here, I scaled in after looking at this initially break a structure here or even here, and then a 5 minute retrace down here, the black thing. I was targeting this, I think it was a 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gap, just 4 hour fair value gap for TP. I believe my entry was around to this inverse here, stops below the swing point. So we inverse one, two, and I was pretty confident. And then we push up. But I did put stops to break even. So this would have been like a 1 to 1.9. I put like I was looking for two for this high one, and then when we push here, I would took one stop. But once we put in this SMT here, I put my stops to break even, and luckily that did save me here, as I would have got stopped out here. So around on this candle, after this candle, put stops to break even here, and we got stopped at break even. And then I further noticed that the high time frame SMT 1 hour right there to there. ES not taking this high, so shorts were still in place. Sorry about that. Going into the 5 minute, boom, bam, bam. Inverse this, boom, bam. Oos, oos, oos. Inverse 5 minute retrace where I took that trade, and then I was just waiting for this whole thing to get inversed. So this one here to get inverse to get my little entry in, because we already had a break of structure and we're just dancing around this like kind of like a order block thing. So waited for this thing to get inverse, and we did inverse. I changed the state of delivery right here, which was pretty high confidence for me, and I just entered on this candle. somewhere here. Targeting data lows. I'm pretty sure a lot of us or a lot of people today got stopped out for putting their stops pretty close down here. But I had my stop to this because that follows my rules. As you can see, boom, the recent swing high that inversed all this. If we have another example, say for example, we had a fair value gap here, and then we had a change in state of delivery. I take my entry, like let's say on this, and then stops up here. I wouldn't really put it on anywhere lower like this, because I just put it. I like to put my stops on the recent high or something that made the whole move. Like let's say you're in the 5 minute or something, it would have been this candle here, the recent high, recent swing high, I'd say. And then first AP was this equal lows, really strong in my opinion. Draw and then all the way down here for these London lows down here. But as you can see, we didn't really reach down here. We did reach down to these data lows where I was correct, but if you just look at this price action, it's just dog cheeks sideways. So as soon as price hit this order block, this breaker order block thing, I just took all profits. I took actually one. I took one con off and then stops to break even, and then we got stopped to break even right there. So it was pretty good today. Didn't trade PM sesh, but usually how I've looked at PM sessions, if AM session is not as volatile and it's just like this, then you'd see a volatile PM session usually, and we get that right here. Look at today, boom, boom. Even made this fast week. Actually, no, that's after market close. Actually, yeah. Anyways, W day, W day. See all my pass trades right here. W day, no kizzy. Break even here. We didn't even take this trade because it was break even, and then boom, took took profits right here. Since ES was kind of weird. See that SMT right here? We had a fat SMT, so I just took it out. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing for today. Just one trade today. Nothing too bad. Nothing heavy. Something light. Something light, you get me. Coming over here, taking out this weird thing. Going down, you get me. Going into 1 hour, filling out this fat imbalance. And yep, look at that. As we know, price wants to fill imbalance, external liquidity and internal. So when here we can see boom. Anyways, that's everything. Catch you guys in whenever I take another trade. Maybe tomorrow. Let me see. Yeah, I'll probably take two, 1 a.m., 1 p.m. But we'll see how price action goes since it's like no news that day. As FOMC, this is gonna be real volatile. Federal rates, funds rate as well. Crazy on Wednesday. Uh, other than that, yeah, this whole week is pretty free, I'd say. And that's me, lads.